Want to unlock the secrets to skyrocket your blog's visibility? In a world where online content rules, mastering SEO for your blog is the key to standing out. But with the ever-evolving algorithms and fierce competition, how do you ensure your blog gets noticed? Introducing Mastering SEO for Blog Posts, Best Techniques You Should Not Miss. This comprehensive guide dives into the strategies that can transform your blog's performance. Take a look at the post snippet. From keyword optimization to meta descriptions, we've got you covered with practical tips and tricks. But that's not all. The blog delves deeper into advanced tactics and industry insights to give your content the edge it deserves. Ready to take your blog to the next level? Click the link in the description below to access the full article. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your blog's visibility. Master SEO today and watch your content soar. Start your journey towards SEO mastery. Subscribe, like, and share for more invaluable tips. See you at techfee.com.